we have the wherewithal and the capacity to do more together. And Mr. President, we will be exploring opportunities for trade events, for investment, working together in the frameworks that exist, whether it is on climate. Remember, Mr. President, we had the Africa Climate Summit that I convened in Nairobi, and we changed the narrative of the African continent. Instead of us thinking about victimhood, we decided that we're going to provide solutions, working with progressive democracies like the US on how to deal with these challenges. And last 3 weeks, I also convened the International Development Association IDA Replenishment Summit in Nairobi with the World Bank, again to look at solutions around the international financial architecture. How do we make it much more sensitive, agile, and that can respond to pressing economic issues that have been compounded by climate change and inflation and interest rates. And I'm very glad, Mr. President, that the United States is working with us towards resolving the challenges that face us, but also exploring opportunities for trade, for investment in areas of technology. And we will be signing one of the most progressive agreements on tech between Microsoft and a Kenyan company, looking into the future around new technologies, AI. And so, Mr. President, I am inspired that these moments are giving us the opportunity to leverage on our friendship and to build a stronger collaboration to face up to the challenges that